I had to let that out first. Woo! Come hold my hand. Come on, come on.
I got you.
Woo! Hold on, don't squeeze me. Let me squeeze you.
Okay.
All right, come on. I feel the pain. Come on. Come on, stop playing with me. Just do it.
You screaming in my ear.
Mayo. Mama! Oh my God!
Shut up!
I got neighbors, right? So you can't scream like that.
Oh my God. Alright, wait.
She ain't even got shit done yet. The gun turned on and she pulled one of your moves. Like, no, hold on. No.
I already had this shit on my body first.
Come on.
Okay, come on. You still on record, girl.
Come on, stop playing with me. Keep
Stop
going.
screaming.
Okay.
Because you're scaring me when you scream.
Come on, this shit hurts so bad.
Somebody cover her.
I can't wait to show you my heart.
Stop moving. Don't move.
Yo, don't move. You gonna fuck it up. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh. I can't believe I'm doing this. Never again. That's power.
She didn't even get a dot the first time she was screaming.
Keep going.
Tell me.
Keep compensating.
It's on your veins. That's why it hurts.
I told her.
Mama, Chanel, twin, I love you. This shit hurts. This shit hurts so bad.
I never see me ever cry till today.
I thought she was a thug.
I thought you know I was lying. Stop hitting me. Woo, Lord, come on. If I die today, remember me like Brown Lady. Buried in glory. I'm talking eye brown. This shit is not getting colored in. Not today. Woo! Stop it. I'm sending everybody get money in the kill time. Big clock. You fucking with a nigga who don't give a fuck.
Now just bite down real hard.
Stop screaming.
You almost done.
No, she not.
She might hurt that bad.
It don't even hurt. It's just like it's like
Okay, continue. Shema, you can get it covered in today, baby. It's not gonna hurt.
Breathe, Mel. Breathe. It's okay. Don't forget how to breathe.
That was a vein.
I know, I feel it. Because how shit jumping like this. Okay.
Okay, continue. You good, G?
Woo! Woo!
Shamel, you done, G. Shut the fuck up.
No, I ain't. You gotta go over this shit.
I might have to pass me that.
Okay, we done.